y'all, my name's Kayleigh. I teach Lifted here at the studio. This class is a little bit different than some of the other ones you've seen in the past. We incorporate a little bit of everything in this. So we do toning, we do sexy, we do high energy cardio. So let's get right into it. Let me show you what it's all about. All right, we're gonna start with our feet together. We're gonna roll our neck out. Take it the opposite direction. Inhale those arms, give me a little sway. Bring it down. Inhale up. Hold it up at the top. Step out. Big circles. Yeah. Take it the other direction. Hey. Hold to side. To side. Let me see what you got. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, down. Bring it across the body. Bring this right arm across. Drop it down. We're gonna grab this right leg and then with the left. Yes. Last one. Go ahead and walk it center. Inhale, roll it up. Lift up. Hand over. Bring it across. Flat back. Drop it down. Give me a nice little plie here. Flat back. Yes. Nice knee plie. Walk it center. All right. Let's go and plie down. Down. Lift up. Push that booty real high. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. First shake of the day, baby. Heel toe. It is. Yes. Now we're gonna pedal these feet. Right, left, right, left. Go ahead and walk it down. Strong plank. Yes. Let's rock. Yes. Yeah, that's right. For 4, 3, 2. We're gonna lift this right leg. Lift up, across, up, across. 2 more. And then we're gonna switch it out with that left side. Switch it up, left, across. Yes, strong core. Drop that booty. Chaturanga. Woo. High. Send it back. Shake it out. Woo. All right, rock it down. Little rock. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Oh, we just getting started. Oh, feel that beat. Now, what's fun about Lifted, you gotta feel that beat first, right? So let's send it back, down dog, and I want you to jump. Focus on that booty popping up first. You know what I'm saying? Now pop it up. Drop it back. Pop it up. Back. Lift it up. Just run. Bring it up. Yes. Come on. Up. And up. For 4, 3, 2. Let's burp it out. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Hold it down, mountain climbers. Let's go. Come on. For 4, 3, 2, 1. I know. Drop it down. Send it back. Woo. Yes. Now I want you to slowly lift up all 4s. Lift those knees high. Nice little hover action. We're gonna sway. Sway. Yes. Speed it up. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Pop it up. Let's go. Yeah. All right, this action right here, jump, out, jump. I want to see these arms 3, 2, 1, right here. Jump. I'm kicking the booty to butt. 4, 3, 2, other leg, let's go. Yes, kick that booty. All right, right leg is kicked forward. Side. Forward. Yes, switch it out. 4, 3, 2, back to those jumps. Jump.
That's what you're coming for, but
Yes. Woo. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Woo. Yes, all the way through to the end. Yes, you can. Woo. We just warming up, baby. Yeah. All right.
when I'm underneath the bright lights,
Drop it down on your knees.
when I'm trying to have a good
All
time,
fours.
'cause I'm good now.
We're ready to work.
Nah, nah, nah.
All right, we're gonna bring
Don't
it
call me up,
in.
call me up when you're looking
Out.
at my photos.
Yes.
You're getting hot, losing control.
Last 2.
You want me
And you're gonna hold it out, opposite arm to leg. We're gonna go open up, in. You have an imaginary line. You're finding that center. You're gonna feel this in your core. Come on, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse it up, baby.
Don't call me up. I'm going out
Hey.
tonight. Good night out of my life. Don't wanna talk about
4,
us. Gotta leave
3,
it behind. One
2,
day, get me out of my mind.
1. You're gonna go pulse, knee, kick, drop, up, back, pulse, knee, kick, drop, up, back, pulse.
'Cause I'm here looking fine, babe.
Yes.
And I got eyes
If you
looking
kick your
my
neighbor,
way.
say sorry at the
And
end.
everybody's on my vibe, babe. Nah, nah.
Ah!
Don't call me up. My friend said you were a bad man.
Yes.
I should've listened to the back then.
Woo!
And now you're trying to hit me up again. Nah, nah.
All right, hold it here. In, out. We're gonna flex and point. Flex, point, hold it here. We're gonna kick the ceiling. Kick. Come on. For 4, 3, 2. Switch it out. Ready?
Don't call me
In, out. In. We gotta get that left leg. 2. Last one. Now imaginary line. You're gonna open up. Bring it in. Feel this in your core. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse it up. Yeah, baby. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Pulse. Knee. Open. Yes. Pulse. Knee drop. Open. Tap. Up. Come on. Don't stop. Same tempo. Yes, you can. Last one. Woo! Ready? Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. You hold it there. Don't move it. Stop it. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it back. Oh. Yes. Now here lifted. We like to wind it. We like to twerk it, don't we, ladies? Yeah, baby. We're gonna tap it. Tap. 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 4. Bring it up your leg. Here we go. Circle. Circle. Now I want you to touch your body. I want you to feel sexy and confident. Other direction. Yes.
Si tú te dejas,
Woo!
te regalara lo que de hace
Yes.
tiempo yo sé que tú buscabas. Que
For 4,
por el tema
3,
no es como
2,
que tú
twerk
puedas
it
llegar.
out. Twerk.
Si es verdad que la tienes,
Get that booty. Let me see it. I want to see the booty popping.
Como viene, viene ella.
like you've never done it before. Let me see it. Pop, pop, pop. Drumming on it. 4, 3, 2. Walk it up. Let's go. Circle, circle. Now we're getting to that sexy. You know that sexy spot? Circle. 4, 3, 2. Now you're gonna jump it up. You're gonna go jump, tap, roll, pop, pop, pop. Jump, roll, pop it, and let's go. Tap, tap, tap. Last one. Hold it here. Double time. We call this the KK because we like to fly away. Shake, shake. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward fold. Oh! Heel toe those feet together for me. Go and pedal those feet out. Woo! Now I want you to raise up high on your toe. Inhale up. Drop it down. Inhale up. Hold it here. Give me one more. Exhale down. Now I want you to open these little knees right here. Baby, we about to work. Ready? Hips. Yes. You didn't know you were sexy. You didn't know you could do this. Other direction. Circle. Yes. Yes. It's a little movement. That's what it's all about, baby. Ready? We're gonna go tap, up, up, up. Yay! 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring it in. Bring it back to your booty. Hold it up. 4, 3, 2. Let's tap these knees. Tap, tap, tap. Yes. Little ab work. Now hold it here. Bring it back. Bring these knees into the side. You're gonna lift up, down, up, and up. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Make sure that back is elongated. Other side, lift up. Yes, Jamie. Lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up. Over. Drop. Up. Yes. Drop. Up. Come on, find that flow. Up. For 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Hit. Scissors. Y'all. Come on. Give me 8 more. 8. 6. 4. Point those toes. Yes. Bring it down. Breathe. Breathe. Press that chest high. All right, can you get a little sexual with me? Circle. This make you feel like 4, 3, 2. Other direction. Up. Up. Yes. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just press it up. Press. Press. Did I say breast or press? Yes. Woo! Hold it. Pop. Just pop. Woo! For 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Roll. Give me nice 3 big rolls. We just worked hard. Last one. Roll it all the way up to your feet. Chair position. Get nice and low. Bring those pinkies in. Drop those shoulders. Gorgeous. Yes. Give me hips. no right move to this. Just feel it. 4, 3, 2, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Drop down, jump back or step back. Circle those hips. 4, 3, 2, chaturanga. Take your time. Drop down to your hips. Wiggle it out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Send it back. I want you to figure 8. Maybe you want to just move your hips side to side. Maybe you just want to stretch. This is your time. Yes. Inhale that right leg up. Lift up. Drop. Up. Drop. Yes. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Open that hip. Drop that foot. Find a nice little pulse in your chest. Really reach. 4, 3. Go and square off that hip. Send it through. Circle those hips. Circle. Just feel good. Move. Take those hips the opposite direction. 4, 3, 2. Step it back. Circle those hips the opposite direction you were starting with. 4, 3, 2. Chaturanga. When you're ready, drop those hips. Wiggle it out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Send it back. Go ahead and move those hips. Feel good with the inhale, left leg. Little tap. Tap. Yes, point that toe. Spread those fingertips. Feel that weight in the palm of your hands. Open that hip, drop that foot. Find a nice little press with your chest. Yes. For 4, 3, square off those hips. Send it through. Circle. Yes. Oh. Other direction. 4, 3, 2, 1. Strong plank. Drop it down. And breathe. Slowly take some deep breaths with me. When you're ready, I want you to walk your fingertips up. Slowly roll up. I hope you guys enjoyed Lifted, this little sneak preview. We offer this class 2 times a week here at the studio. It is a 60-minute live stream video. I hope you guys come back and enjoy this. You get 2 weeks free when you join with us. Click the description below and join the studio here. I hope to see you next time. Bye. See you in 2 days!